Hi, I've got a fun new video to make. I have some videos on this channel regarding the poor man's watch collection. I did some videos about watches I've collected, and it's a collection. What I have is a collection of watches. It's not a collection of luxury watches. I am not a man who can afford nice, fancy watches, but I have some watches I really love. A Hamilton watch, Khaki King, that I really like, and my SKX that I really like, my Bambino that I really like. Now, one of the watches that I wear frequently is my Citizen Bryson, which I will show, and my wife gave that to me a number of years ago. It's a beautiful watch. It's a chronograph watch. I wear it a lot when I perform with my guitar. I'm a guitarist and I do a lot of performing, and that's kind of my tradition, is to wear the Citizen when I perform. Now, because I play the guitar and I perform a lot, I like doodads that are about the guitar. Recently, I purchased the Jinhao 1935 Tiandao. Partially, I'll be real honest, the clip looks like a guitar. And so I thought, oh, that's me. That's part of my collecting, what I like to collect, what I like to have. Things that, this fountain pen has a clip that looks like a guitar. So I found a watch that I wanted to have. And one of the reasons I wanted to have it, it's the watch that this video is about, is because the Citizen Bryson is I've had it for close to 10 years, and I've heard that it the Echo Drive function sometimes stops working after 7 to 10 years, and maybe if it poops out, it'll be time to retire it. So I've heard that repairing it costs as much as buying a new one. I don't know. I'll always love that watch, and if it's not working, I'll still keep it as a keepsake. But I thought I'd like to have a watch to wear on stage when I perform with my guitar to replace that one if it's as it gets older. And I found a Stauer watch. Now, I've talked a lot on this channel about Stauer watches, how much I like them and how much I'd always wanted them years ago. And there's one watch that is kind of controversial. Some people love it, some people hate the way it looks. The guitar watch, the Stauer Guitar watch, and I have a package that's arrived, and we're going to do an unboxing right now and talk about how maybe that's a good watch for me to wear on stage when I do my performing. Let's open it up and see what it's all about. So here's the package. Nice surprise from Amazon. Ooh, and there's the box. You know, it's similar to the box my other Stauers have come in, but it's way different. This is the guitar watch, and I'm excited to see what it looks like. And again, we looked at that earlier. Here's my Jinhao Tiandao. Love this. This is my guitar fountain pen. Okay, and so this is the guitar watch that I want. And we open it. We've got this little piece of foam and this limited warranty and the instruction manual, just tiny. But there it is. An interesting leather band. And let's take a look. The guitar watch from Stauer. Excuse me, I'm giggling because it's fun to try new things. Yeah, this is the watch that's going to be my new performance watch. It looks like a guitar. See the strings across the 2 to the 4, shaped like a guitar. And we're going to look at the features and functions right now. Let's slip it out and take a look. But as I'm looking at this, wonderful. So I'm going to take the plastic off of here. I'm going to take the plastic off of here so that we can see it even a little bit better. One. Okay, so when I push this upper button, it changes the month. And this is a 24-hour, 24-hour ticker down here. But over here, we've got day of the week. And Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. And then we can set the AX and let's try this on. What do y'all say? So that's it. And the leather in the strap is real stiff. I don't know that I'm going to even keep this band. Maybe. We'll see how it goes. But it's really, really stiff right now. We'll see if I keep that. Man, it's giganormous. That is a big watch. You can see that has a heck of a profile. Now, there are some people that would not care for this. I understand that. They wouldn't like the thickness of it. They wouldn't like the profile. To me, it's a guitar watch. So I'm interested. I'm all about this guitar watch. I'm going to wear this on stage when I perform, and I think it will make a good impression for my shows. And if anybody asks, what the heck is that strapped to your wrist? I can tell them that's my guitar watch from Stauer. So let's take a look at the back of it. I mean, the watch band feels good. I don't know. Of course, it's genuine leather. Look at that. The back, I mean, my Dashtronic has a glass back. You can see the workings of the insides, the movement. Now, I've seen videos about Stauer movements where they say they're not very good. I imagine they're not as good as, when you spend $1,000 on a watch. I'm sure that's true. But I've had good luck with my Dashtronic movement. And I have great faith in this one. Beautiful. I'm very pleased. I am surprised how pleased I am. This is going to be a lot of fun. Now, I hope I've got some time left with the Citizen Bryson, but this watch will be a really good replacement for it when it stops working. And let's put it back on. It's the biggest watch I have. I kind of figured it would be. I kind of figured it would be a big watch, which is one of the reasons I bought it. I've always thought, a guitar watch for my guitar themed stuff when I perform. That's really good. Even though it's big and noticeable, it will make a good accent to my performing, because again, it's noticeable. When you're performing, you want to do things that are noticeable, and that watch will definitely be noticeable. Look how thick that is. That is a hefty piece of jewelry, but lovely. See, look, you can see the date and the strings, and it's got the 24-hour watch hand. It's got the day of the week. We're on Tuesday, and it's got the month. We're in February. So playing with the settings, I'll keep it tuned up till it's pointing to the right information. Make sure that's right. A little after 8 o'clock now. Lovely. It's got the little volume knobs. It's got the little volume knobs there. I don't know what those are. I guess they also could be volume knobs, but fun. This is what I'm looking for stage watchwear. I personally really think that Stauer watches are fun, and of course, I never collected anything until I became an older man, and now I have collections that I talk about here on this channel, and this is the latest addition to my watch collection. I don't know how many more times I'll be able to make a video about a new watch added to my collection. In fact, I sold a stove to buy this. This is what happens. I decided that this is how I would add to my collections of things. When I have a windfall from something I had to sell, if there was money for something like this, I would use it. I had to sell a range, a stove and oven. There was a family member that moved and there was no place to take it and needed to be sold, and I used the money for this watch. This is what I'll wear when I perform on stage. Now I think I can do it. And I mean, that's the way I do things. There's certain shirts that are in my closet that are lined up, that are the shirts I wear when I perform. Pants, boots, things that are for my guitar performing. And now this is one of my guitar performing watches. No such thing as bad publicity. There, in just looking up people's opinions about this watch, of course, I found lots of hate because it's different. It is very different. Anything that's different is going to garner hate. I love different. I love unusual. I love different. Now I got a guitar watch from Stauer. Do I recommend you have one? I don't know. Like a big, thick guitar watch? You'd love it. Means a lot to me. This is going to be great. So I will update you. If I go with a different band, I may do that. No, this isn't so bad. It's stiff. It's leathery. It's genuine leather, it said. And we'll see how that works out. 18th. That's really good. Stauer says on the clip. It's fun to be a little indulgent sometimes, you know? Stressful move. Leftover kitchen appliances. Now it's on my wrist. I love how things like that work out. We'll see if we can get shots of it in action. See how it turns out. Hey, thanks for exploring that with me.